Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to build a brick. First, let's gather the essential raw materials. Bricks are primarily made from natural substances like clay, shale, and various minerals. These materials are carefully chosen for their unique properties, which contribute to the brick's final strength and appearance. Water is then introduced to these dry ingredients, forming a pliable mixture ready for the next stage of production. Once the raw materials are ready, they undergo a thorough mixing process. This ensures a perfectly consistent and uniform blend, crucial for brick quality. The prepared mixture is then carefully pressed into molds, giving each brick its specific shape and dimensions. Common methods include extrusion, where the clay is forced through a die, or the soft mud process, which uses wetter clay. After shaping, the newly formed bricks, often called green bricks, contain a substantial amount of moisture. It is critical to dry these bricks slowly and carefully to remove this water content. This controlled drying process prevents cracking and warping, which could compromise the brick's structural integrity. Depending on the brick type and environmental conditions, drying can take several days. The final crucial step is firing the dried bricks in large kilns. Here, they are subjected to extremely high temperatures, often exceeding 1,000 degrees Celsius, for many hours. This intense heat transforms the clay, giving the bricks their characteristic hardness, strength, and durability. After cooling, each finished brick undergoes rigorous quality control checks for size, color, and structural integrity, ensuring a high-quality product.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.